In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple assignees in Asana. If you're collaborating on a project with a team, you might find yourself in situations where multiple team members need to complete the same task. While Asana doesn't allow for a single task to have multiple assignees directly, there is a smart way around this, and that's what we'll explore today. First, you'll want to navigate to the specific task you want to assign. Once you're in the task, look for the task menu, which appears as 3 dots. Clicking on this menu will present you with several options. From these, you'll want to select Assign Copies. What this does is allow you to create separate copies of the task that can be assigned to different team members, giving each one their own individual responsibility without any overlap. Now, once you have selected Assign Copies, you will be prompted to choose multiple teammates. This is where you can assign the task copies to everyone who needs to be involved. Each team member you select will receive their own personal copy of the task in their My Tasks list. This ensures that each person has clear accountability for completion. It's particularly useful when you're looking at tasks where everyone has to do the same action, like submitting a travel form or reviewing a document. To get the most out of this feature, it's crucial to ensure that everyone on your team understands they have their own copy of the task. You might want to communicate this explicitly, especially if the task is part of a larger project or if deadlines are tight. This process not only helps in distributing work efficiently, but also in avoiding potential bottlenecks where tasks are left unattended due to confusion over responsibilities. Remember, using assigned copies isn't just a workaround. It's an efficient way to manage tasks that require multiple inputs and ensures each task is clearly tracked to completion. This feature is especially beneficial in collaborative environments where clarity and prompt execution are key. By following these steps, you can harness Asana's capabilities to streamline your project management process, making it easier and more intuitive to assign and track tasks for multiple team members at once. Whether it's for recurring tasks or one-off projects, understanding how to utilize this feature will keep your team well organized and your projects on track. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it transforms the way you manage and assign tasks